Morning students, today we will study about quantum mechanical model of atom. You know why the need of quantum mechanical model? Because classical mechanics based on Newton's law of motion was successful in explaining the motion of only macroscopic bodies. Macroscopic body means the larger bodies, but it failed when it applied to microscopic particles like electrons, atoms and molecules. Means classical mechanics do not explain about the macroscopic particles because it was only based on, it did not take into account the concept of dual nature of matter and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So we need a new branch of science, that is quantum mechanical model of atom, and this is known as quantum mechanics. Now first term is electron cloud. What is electron cloud? The region of space around the nucleus which describes the probability of finding an electron is called an atom. Earlier we are studying about the atom, the orbit, which is two-dimensional. Now we will study about the three-dimensional structure of atom, means atomic orbital. Next is atomic orbital. Atomic orbital may be defined as 3D space around the nucleus within which the probability of finding an electron is maximum. Now the difference between orbit and orbital. Orbit and orbital. Orbit is a circular path around the nucleus in which electrons revolve, but orbital is a 3D space around the nucleus in which probability of finding an electron is maximum. You can take example of your house. You have house that is orbit, then the rooms are orbitals, and probability of finding you is maximum in your room, that is orbital. The number 2 is the concept is not accordance with wave character and uncertainty principle, but orbital concept is in accordance with the wave character and uncertainty principle. Orbits are circular, but different orbitals have different shapes. We will study it later on. You know, in orbit only 2n square electrons can be there, means maximum number of electrons in orbit is given by 2n square formula, where n is the number of orbit. But in any orbital always the number of electrons will be 2. So this is the difference between orbit and orbital. Now we will study about a very important topic of this chapter. This is very important, quantum numbers. I will tell you the definition of quantum numbers. Then next lecture we will study about the quantum numbers. Quantum numbers is a set of 4 numbers. We have 4 quantum numbers which from which we get the complete information about electrons in an atom. Means quantum numbers are the set of 4 electrons which tell about the proper address of the electrons, means location, where the electron is located, energy of the electron, in which orbital it is present, what is the shape of the electron, what is the orientation of the electron. So quantum numbers are the set of 4 numbers which tell about the complete address of the electron. We will study the 4 quantum numbers in the next lecture, and this quantum number topic is very important for writing the electronic configuration.